In my lifetime, I have witnessed change, mainly for convenience, comfort, economy, and efficiency. Gen Zers have no understanding of the old ways of us septuagenarians, such as in gloves, which required two hands to field a ball, shooting classic firearms, twin-lens reflex film cameras, 8mm home movie cameras and projectors, listening to music on an old LP record, fishing reels which hold line as well as the new ones do, wet fly patterns tied with natural materials, and manual transmissions on a 4x4 pickup truck. As I note in my fishing journal, there is one fishing tool which has not warranted improvement for over a century: the bamboo fly rod. These slow, deep-flexing split-cane casting levers are the epitome of practical delicacy for the presentation of a dry fly over a feeding trout. It's early summer, and I am embarking on a camping and fishing road trip in the hope and anticipation of finding a stream not impacted from high, discolored water. Daisy May, my companion for 16 years of adventures, is now deaf and blind with kidney issues, but she still looks forward to these outings. Most streams in the state are running high from snowmelt runoff and unfishable. The fishing at the first stream, a spring creek, was challenging. The cutthroat throats were finicky, easily spooked, and small. There were no insect emergences. I tied on an attractor pattern, the H&L variant, President Eisenhower's favorite, size 16. Most fish that rose to the offering rejected it at the last second, and those that hit the fly escaped the hook set. weather was threatening, so we packed up and ventured west a couple hours to find another stream. When visiting this area, take time, relax, and enjoy it in slow sips, not large gulps. And then the rain started coming down. The formerly clear river was now turbid. One tributary, the aptly named Sweetwater, was pumping chocolate milk into the river, so fishing was confined to the banks in quieter and clearer water. As I conclude this journal entry, I look forward to the next trip. We will be fishing in moose country this time. I trust the fish will be more accommodating.